I'm really proud to be here representing something called ChromeOS Flex. ChromeOS Flex allows you to reuse up to a 10-year-old Windows or Apple Mac laptop and make it basically into a ChromeOS brand new laptop. And when you think that the UK throws away the equivalent of 40 laptops every second, I'm on a real mission with my team, because just imagine if we could flex all of those and prevent all of those laptops going into landfill. That would just be incredible.
We encourage small, medium businesses to keep doing what they're doing, make the most out of what they already have with ChromeOS Flex. It's a simple way to get in the cloud at no upfront cost and be sustainable.
The fact that you can simply upload an operating system like this in what was minutes and suddenly be reusing an old machine that would otherwise be redundant is brilliant. There's always this balance to play, this juggling between sort of planet, people and profit, and that is what a really good sustainable business looks after, all three elements.
Don't bin it, just flex it.